right, we're sitting here with Jeff Stearns, the Organic Program Coordinator from the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture, Food, and Forestry. And we just completed our inspection for getting organic certification under USDA. And Jeff, I think, and this is EarthDance, by the way, we're at EarthDance in Ferguson, Missouri. I think one misconception a lot of folks have is that it costs too much to get certified organic. Can you share how much it costs to get certified organic?
Yes, every certifier has their own price list. As far as Oklahoma, if it's 25 acres or under, it's $200 a year. And then there's a progressive scale that goes up, and the highest you will pay is $500.
So, plus the travel and lodging expenses. So I just wrote a check for $518.60, and under the new farm bill, there's a cost share program so that we can actually get 75% of that covered back to us. So it'll cost us, let me do the math, about $125, a little more than that, to be certified organic and to be able to market our products as such. So as a farm, as a small farm like EarthDance that has been growing using only organic practices ever since our inception, it's not as much of a shift for us other than really filling out the paperwork and doing some record keeping. Thankfully, we've been doing a lot of record keeping all along. Matt here, our assistant farm manager, filled out the application form with a lot of work that was previously done by Monica and I. How long did it take to fill out that application?
I would say just a few hours, really.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and the most time-consuming part of it is getting together our already, written field notes and records and field maps and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm. Jeff, how... You mentioned that other producers said that they liked getting certified organic because it helps them keep better records to begin with. So will you share a little bit about the record keeping side of things and the paperwork?
I will. As far as the paperwork, what I tell everybody is just kind of record what you do. Any kind of fertilization, plant dates, harvest dates, input, pest control, applications. Just write down what you do. I've had a lot of people tell me in the past that that's the one thing that keeps them from being certified. And then we've certified some of those people, and they come back a year or two later and say, those are some of the best records I could have kept. I can go back, see what worked, what didn't work, how things were going. And so I think that's one misconception on the organic process.
And you got here at, what, 7:15, 7:30 this morning?
Yes.
Today's March 19th, 2015. And what time is it now?
It's about 10 o'clock.
It's about 10 o'clock, and we're finished with the inspection.
We are.
So the next steps are to submit these soil samples that we took around all the different fields.
Yes.
And what else?
I'll submit the soil samples when they come back, and when they're good, I'll finish my report, turn it in to my supervisor.